Good morning. It's New York Fashion Week. It's so early in the morning, I have no voice. It's currently New York Fashion Week, and a lot of my content creator friends are in New York, and they invited me to some fun events. So of course, I wanted to take you guys along with me. This is going to be my first time experiencing New York Fashion Week and fashion shows. So exciting! It was cool. Hey. What's your name?
I'm India.
What do you do?
I make videos.
What kind of videos?
Fashion and lifestyle.
Wow. Andy is also vlogging.
Yes, ma'am.
But he's not gonna edit it, guys.
Yeah, it's not gonna see it. What's your name?
Eugene.
What do you do?
I am Andy's friend.
That's
That's
what
my
you do.
occupation.
Yeah, I'm not a fan.
I think I like the first one more. Camels and shoes. Hey guys, since Andy is a fashion influencer, we're gonna do a check.
Behind my back? Hello.
Hello!
Hello. Hey there.
Hello!
Hey friends. Yes, ma'am. I was about to die.
I know. Hey vlog!
Hey, vlog.
Chinatown.
It's Chinatown. This is
Loud!
food. We have waffle. Who is this? My name is Loy. This is Loy's first time eating waffle. Yay! I'm very excited. We're just about to die.
Peace out! We're gonna eat, but I have no battery.
That's crazy. Oh my god.
Happy birthday to you. I can't wait to open them. I bought this bag for my roommate because it's her birthday today and I wanted to add some character to it. Oh, this is so cute. Oh my gosh. Love it.
I'm freaking out. It's my favorite chocolate. Strawberry. I'm too chocolate. Hello, Hello, Eugen's followers. Hello, Eugen youngins.
It's Papa Polo. We're ending the night
Ending the night with.
skewer cart.
Yeah. I'm so excited. It's my first time trying.
Dude, it's gonna be so good.
Yeah.
Happy birthday.
Thank you. Well, you
Thank
left
you,
me.
Papa Polo.
Die. I'm
this
being
is
in
Andy's
that
money.
Wait, actually?
Yeah, I stole it from him.
Memo.
I'm sorry. I can't do that.
Super shy, super shy.
Wait, your followers have never seen this content before. Yeah.
What are you talking
This is
about?
so exclusive.
This is very.
This is New York Andy.
How is it? How is it? Oh, I love my veggie dance. I love my veggie dance. I love my veggie dance. Yum. Eat 'em up. Yum.
Hey guys, we're back at my house.
It's 3:20.
Good box.
Oh wait. Which one do you want? Which one do you want?
Oh yeah.
You missed the most important part.
I want either lazy morning or the dog one.
She said that because earlier I said I wanted the dog one and then I got the lazy instead. And so if she get the dog one, we're gonna trade.
Yeah, we're gonna trade. Did you see it? No! What is this one? Wait.
Oh, he's big.
Wait. What does he do?
No. Wait, I need.
Oh! That's so cute! That's so cute. Oh my gosh, that's so cute!
That's me right now because you're not giving me access. He's so
night.
cute. Good night. Peace. Give me my money. 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 Ok, sau bữa giờ á đi chơi á mà mỗi lần nói á, đi ăn á là hỏi chị đi ơi, chị muốn đi ăn không? Chị ơi chị đi là chị đói bụng à? Cái Dũng á, cái Dũng nha.
Come on.